How to make RedNote account private. Did you know that you can set your RedNote account to be private? I'll show you how in this video. First, open the RedNote app and go to your profile page. Then, click on the settings icon here. The setting you're looking for is in the privacy settings, so open privacy settings. First, click on My Collection. From there, you can disable the option for your notes, boards, and albums to be public. If you want to disable them all at once, turn off the top option, Open My Collections. Since a fully private profile doesn't officially exist on the RedNote app, we can do one more thing, and that is to enable protection mode. By enabling this option, you will not receive private messages or comments from people you don't follow. This increases your privacy and prevents unwanted contacts. It's a great way to ensure you only interact with people you trust. Additionally, it gives you more control over who can access your content. Remember, your safety and comfort online should always come first. If you found this video helpful, like it and subscribe to our channel.